Alright, what up guys? This coronavirus got y'all acting crazy because apparently you think I'm qualified to teach you how to get your faces looking right. Not that they're not already looking right as is. Apparently we're going to paint them some today. I asked y'all what look you wanted to do and we all voted for Disney princess instead of horror makeup, which is baffling to me because scary time is all the time. So anyways, we're here today to do a Disney princess look. I'm going to be doing Ariel from The Little Mermaid. First things first is you need to make sure your face is clean. You need to be washing your hands. You need to be washing your faces. Because not only is the coronavirus out here, but y'all dirty, so just clean it up, okay? Looking right, feeling right. Already did that. Already got my beauty blender ready to go. So we're going to prime. Because before you can run, you have to walk. So you got to prime your face. I'm using, because apparently I'm a beauty YouTuber now, e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is Jeffree Star approved, and that's all you really need to know about it. And if you don't know who Jeffree Star is, then get off of my video and go watch his, okay? So my hands are clean, don't come at me. Getting it on my fingers, putting it in my T-zones, on my nose, because we want to look like a smooth baby's butt. If you haven't seen a baby's butt, like, you're doing yourself a disservice. Because they're adorable. Babies are adorable. You don't like babies, I'll pray for you. Because they're amazing. Okay.
Baby bottoms?
Baby bottoms!
Oh, okay.
You never seen the little tushies?
I mean, I see them.
Why do you think these moms dropping a pretty penny to get these newborn photos done with their little naked booties up in the air? Because they're adorable.
You're right.
Alright, so then you gotta let that sit and think about its life choices and make sure you really want to do this. Because once you start, you can't stop. I'm actually going to do another primer also. This is a skin illuminator. If y'all didn't already know, your girl's a teacher. We out here balling on a budget. You're not about to see me out here with no crazy MAC or whatever the heck else. 99% of my stuff can be bought at Target or Walmart or CVS or Ulta. I don't think anything I'm using today is from like Sephora or more than $10, so I don't need all that. Okay, put it beauty blender. Dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it. Done. No, blend it. Get out of here. What are you doing? This is gonna make your skin dewy and pretty like a pretty Disney princess, because that's what we're going for today. Okay, there we go. I'm using CoverGirl True Blend Matte. Ariel's very light, and I am light. And now we're going to be even lighter. If it'll come out, we're going to have to cancel everything. Jennifer, it doesn't come out of my bottle. Ratchet time, y'all. If y'all didn't know.
We can use dirt.
Listen, I'm not trying to have anybody come at me for doing something not PC. Putting dirt on my face as a foundation here. Okay? No, thank you. Was this too much foundation? I think so. Are we going to make it work? You betcha. Okay. Hopefully I look 8 shades lighter. Now we're going to go in with our concealer to cover all of our flaws. Just kidding, you're perfect. This is Milani Conceal and Perfect, which is also, Conceal and Perfect, which is also Jeffree Star approved. Some people like to do a triangle because we're like high-leaning and we like want to like make it look light, and we're just like brightening up our faces. So put it out, usually like a triangle, but we're not doing a triangle, and we're going to drag it up and up this way. I mean, do I look like a Disney princess every day? Obviously. But today we're trying to go for that Ariel look. So when you're doing your under eyes, I always start on the lower end of my my concealer, and I blend that out first before I go up and blend it into my eyeball. And I look up because it's supposed to help, because your girl's 89, so we got some wrinkles now. Now we're going to set it. This is Airspun. Lots of people use it. Again, CVS, Target, Walmart, your grandma, whoever, somebody has it. So I'm swirling, tap it, press, because we don't want our foundation to fly away off our face. Why am I going to swirl it and push it all over the place? No, I want it to stay where it's at. So I'm pressing my powder into my face. Next step is our girl's got some nice pretty rosy cheeks. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush palette and going in, and she has pretty rosy cheeks, so I'm going to do a little bit of the darker red and the pinker one, because I know y'all are looking like, dang, that girl real white. Yep, so now we're putting some color in my face so I don't look like a corpse, because y'all said you didn't want a scary look, so here we are. Also, if I was doing a real Ariel look and I was really trying to go all out, I would not have my piercings in, but ain't nobody got time for that. I've got my nails on, and it's real hard to be fumbling with this tiny little silver ball with these clickety-clack nails, so y'all heard it here first. What am I doing? Y'all confuse me. Brows. Spoolie brush. Any kind. It's a mermaid. How fitting. I know. Thank you. Gonna just brush it out. Don't even start with me, okay? Because we all know nobody's leaving the house right now. Do my brows need a touch up? Yes. Can they get touched up right now? No. I mean, I do it a little bit, but my brow girl might kill me. We've worked hard on these, and I'm not trying to mess them up. Because Ariel's red, so I'm actually going to give myself red eyebrows. This is Jennifer's palette, Makeup Obsession Shadow Palette. I don't know where she got it from.
Target.
She got it from Target. Again, guys, keep up with the theme. I'm going to use this mirror because it's really close. This is a nice angled brush, very thin, great for eyebrows. I got it from Ipsy, so wherever they get their stuff from, you know. Make sure. Beep, boop. And I'm going in with hot sauce because don't get lost in the sauce, y'all. It's good enough, okay? Like, it's red. Hey, Nutmeg's under my feet, and she's like swishing all around, and I don't know what's up with that. So if you hear any little snorts, that's also her. Jenny's telling me she hates me and that I look so stupid. And she's embarrassed to be my friend right now. So that's what I heard. I don't know if y'all could pick that up in the background, but that's what was said to me. She's probably right. I deserve it. Okay. I'm about to be done with these. Let's see. Ooh, what the heck is going on over here? Y'all, so fun fact, when I was in kindergarten, there was one time where we were cleaning up, because I don't know if it was time to go home or what. It doesn't matter. We had been playing, playtime was over, and so we were cleaning up, and me and this little boy were cleaning up blocks. And now when I tell you blocks, if you're in the 90s like me, there was those big wooden heavy blocks, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not talking about little Legos or like Duplo blocks or whatever. No, like those like heavy wooden blocks. I don't know how, but he and I are cleaning them up, and he whacked the ish out of me right here, and it was bleeding. My parents had to pick me up. We went to the ER. The ER was taking forever, and I was tired, and I just wanted to go home. So nurse mommy said, bump this, took me home, and gave me butterfly stitches herself at home. But because of that, I have like a scar in my eyebrow, and so my, what is this? This is my left eyebrow. My left eyebrow usually looks a little more jank because it has a scar running through it, and so it just throws off the whole aesthetic. So sometimes I have to work longer on it to make it look how I want it to. And listen, brows are hard. Brows were the hardest thing for me to feel like I could do well at, shaping and doing whatever. But what helped me was going and getting them waxed by an actual brow artist. I'm not saying going to whatever little nail salon and going in there and then having them rip your skin off. No, you need to go to like Ulta or wherever where they are like, yes girl, we got your brows, we're gonna handle it, we're not out here doing crazy things. Because my girl Brooke always has my brows looking right, and the way she shaped them, oh my gosh, like I went 0 to 100 real quick after the work that she did. I don't know why I closed that. So that would be my that's my opinion on if you want your brows looking right, start getting them waxed by somebody who knows what they're doing. Also, it says after school snack. That's me. Okay. Now, her eyeshadow is going to keep it really simple. I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer onto my eyelid to prime it, but I'm not honestly putting a ton of eyeshadow on my eye even, but we're going to put a little bit. Because this is going to help it stick. You can use actual eyeshadow primer or concealer. Also, y'all got me messed up if you think I'm about to put on some false eyelashes. They're so hard. False eyelashes are so hard. And if I was really feeling it today, yeah, I would, but I don't want to. I started learning how to do makeup back in high school. Like, we don't need to pull up any of those photos because your girl would just put on foundation and sometimes powder, sometimes liquid. I don't even know if I set it. Like, I don't think I even would set it if it was foundation, like liquid. And then I would line my whole eye with black black eyeliner, like underneath, up into the corners and around or whatever. Mascara, good to go. That was it. That was it. It was like, what was blush? I don't know. Contouring didn't exist then. And honestly, I messed up because that's when the makeup game was just starting on YouTube. Back when, you know, dinosaurs were still kind of around, honestly. That is when I should have really started making tutorials. Nutmeg is giving me little baby kisses, and I love her. Okay, really simple. I didn't even say what I was doing. I'm going in with this color Starlight. It is just a white eyeshadow, and I'm using this flat brush and pressing it all over my lids. And then, honestly, I'm not going to do much else. Oh my god.
Okay, Nutmeg.
Nutmeg's good. She's good. She's good. It's not the Rona. We're going to go with my Morphe palette. Browns look the best on my eyes. They make them really pop. This is, again, another brush from Target. It's really small, little fluffy brush. And I'm just going to go in with a light brown. Let me see, is this the one I want? Yeah. Swirl it, tap it off, and I'm going in to my crease around my eye. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, this is too much, y'all. See, look. Y'all thought I was out here. Fake it till you make it, okay, guys? So if this is helping out fake it till you make it, great. So I'm gonna have to go back and fix that. So we're gonna go in with this bigger, fluffier brush, and I'm gonna close this because I need to get into it, guys. I need to get into it. Excuse me. There we, guys, this was the move. Here we go. Oh yes, I can see every single bad decision I've made for the past 10 years in this magnifying glass right here. I'm okay with it. All right. Next thing we're going to do, I have a white liner because Ariel is a cartoon and she has really big eyes, and so we're going to pretend. And I'm going to use this line underneath my eyes, and it's going to kind of take away, it's not taking anything away, it's going to make the illusion that my eyes are bigger than they are. Because if you didn't know, makeup is just a lie to trick everybody and to just look like a whole new person. That's all I want to ever do with makeup. My goal is just to change my entire face. I'm going above and below my lashes because I'm not putting any mascara on these bottom lashes. I want it to just be white so it looks like my eye bigger than it is. That is, y'all, I got it all over my fingers because I'm a professional. Don't at me. I'm going to actually go in with this little fluffy one, and I'm going to get more of the white. No, I don't want this one. Wrong one. Flat one. And I'm going to put more of the white that I did on my lid and go in with that and see if that's going to stick on better. Oh, that looks a little better. There we go. Put it up in your corners. bright-eyed bushy tail. Cover up the darkness of my soul. Don't even need to do the eyeliner because it's not working. You win some, you lose some, okay guys? So we have some big old doll eyes. Trying to look like Annabelle. Oh, just kidding. Ariel. Now I'm going to take my trusty black eyeliner. I love this one. It's my favorite. It's CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus. I've used this one for years. Not the same exact one, obviously. But this is the one I always buy, y'all. Gonna get white on everything. I am going to go underneath my lashes because it helps fill in underneath and make them look thicker, because I'm not doing glue on lashes. I don't feel like doing it. And yes. So what I do is I put it underneath and I lightly close my eyes, and then I'm just gonna run this back and forth. It's gonna be a little weird the first time you do it. You're gonna feel like you're poking your eye out, but you'll make it, okay? I promise. Just don't, you know, don't poke it in. Just sit underneath your eyelid and drag it back and forth. Okay, I have to go back because some eyeliner got on my bottom. And we don't want that. We don't want black on the bottom. We only want white. I'm gonna do like a really thin liner on top of my lashes. I don't really do liquid eyeliner a lot because I'm not that good at it, and it's just like, but obviously the more you practice something, the better you're gonna do. So I'm just gonna be really gentle using my eyebrow angled brush again, and I'm gonna go in with black eyeshadow because I feel like I can control it more than doing my liquid liner, and then just draw a thin line on top of my lashes. Subtle, baby, subtle. Alright, and I'm gonna do one more because we want them even bigger, so. More whites. And you can like see them on there, so I'll just brush it over till I feel like I got some on there. Then another coat of black. So boom, look. Mascara, no mascara. Mascara, no mascara. Got me mascara. Last step for my makeup look for Ariel is my lippies. So she has some pretty red lips. This is Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse in the shade Yamam. Oh, Red Hot, because that's what we are. Red freaking hot. And yeah, that's your lippy stick. So that's the look. Almost. We got one more step to do. I'll be right back. And here's the look. I don't know what I bought this wig for, but I've had it, and it's as good as you're gonna get for this Ariel look. So we got your dingle hopper and your starfish clip, and you're good to go. Thanks for letting me be part of your world. Bye.